Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Seat Leon FR 2018 plate, and unfortunately this car did not come with a factory reverse camera when the customer bought it. So what we've done is we factory integrated onto the original screen. So as you can see, we have not changed the screen. We've put reverse camera onto the original screen like it would have come out of the factory, so you get OEM style full reverse screen come up. So I'm going to show you that now. So when you put into reverse, as you can see, you get the original style reverse camera, and you get the display come up, and also additionally you get the full moving guidelines as well to show you where you're turning and steering to, and also you get your parking sensors also displayed on there. So I'm going to show you the camera at the back where we installed it. Yeah, that is the camera that we've installed. As you can see, it's nicely like factory hidden underneath, you can't even see it. So yeah, if you want this installed on your vehicle, guys, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ganshill, Ilford, IG2 6QA 28 County Gardens. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Thank you very much.